My name is Michael Leizerman here with Trial Guide's Tip of the Day this Tuesday, February 15th, 2022. Michael Neff writes in his book Advanced Premises Liability, don't just ask about negligence and ordinary care. Ask about great care. Ask about reckless behavior. If the defendant's witness will testify that the defendant should have used great care because the danger or risk was so severe, you have strengthened your case, even if you haven't pled punitive damages. These are wise words, and not just for premises liability cases. All of our cases have the standard of care. For negligence, it sounds something like, in most states, what would the reasonably careful person or company or reasonably prudent person or company do in similar circumstances? And think beyond that. Is there heightened danger that requires greater care? And even the opposite. Think about what the jury's expecting. I had a trial, it was, I guess, a truck company back in 2005, and I was arguing negligence and punitive damages. And I remember talking to the jury panel during jury selection and saying, I'm going to ask for punitive damages for you to return that in your verdict. And what do you think of this? And we talked about the standard, that's more likely than not, it's clear and convincing evidence that there was reckless behavior. And I remember it was three jurors. It was a nun who ended up leaving on the jury, and two others. We had this conversation where they said that's just not enough. It would have to be extreme behavior before we could find punitive damages. I ended up leaving them on the jury. I had a good feeling about them. And as I was examining, right, talking with the witnesses, some of the extreme behavior came up. Some of the behavior came up, and I was able to say, a reasonably careful company wouldn't do that. No. As a matter of fact, that's pretty extreme conduct, isn't it? As I look over at those three jurors, that is extreme conduct. Yeah. So it's helpful to think what's in the jury instruction and what maybe goes beyond that. All right, let's take a deep breath. Be grateful to be alive today. What's our standard of care for ourselves, our standards for our life? Can we go beyond them today? Can we live life to its fullest? Right? Extreme life today. If I can keep carrying the metaphor, and why not? All right. I'm going to ring a bell 3 times. That can bring you into a meditation practice if you have one, or it can just bring you into your life. Have a great day.